device for aiding in disposal and installation. Very simple device, user-friendly, which I developed, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll get my buddy Josh to show you how to install it. And it's a two-piece device. It has the top piece and the bottom piece. I'm assembling what we consider the top piece tonight. And the top piece goes in the sink, and the bottom piece goes in here. This thing only has one function. It's used temporarily to enable people to facilitate establishing the snap ring underneath the tailpiece of the disposal, which comes to the sink. This is a typical garbage disposal piece that goes through the sink. And when you see Josh doing the work, you'll understand what he's doing. But this snap ring right here is not impossible to install without this tool, but this tool makes it most user-friendly. You can probably install it, I would say, in 15 to 20 seconds once you get to that point of the application. So, that being said, I've asked Josh to illustrate the old way of putting in this prior to my device, and then going back and using my device so you can judge the amount of time. This is definitely a time-saving device, a user-friendly product. When it hits the market, I don't think it's going to cost that much to produce, and I think the people will be very happy with it. So after that, I'm ready to let Josh go ahead and start putting it in. What he's doing now, he's putting this disposal tailpiece, we call it, through the kitchen sink. He's careful to position the lettering so that it's in just the back part. You like to be a little concentric. You like to look like you have a method in your madness. Now he's going underneath, and what he has in his hand is the lower part of the situation. It has the O-ring. It's not an O-ring, it's a snap ring. The snap ring is definitely hard to install sitting on there with one person. A lot of people prefer having two people, but in this case, one person does it. He's done these things before, so he's familiar with how to install them.
You see how I'm fighting it right now? And this is where two people come in handy holding the top up there.
Two people are a very nice device.
That's the ring. Now you gotta come up here and make sure you don't lose your alignment. You see how the KitchenAid is nice and now you come back underneath here.
The alignment is critical, not critical, it's just in good workmanship, you want the alignment to be kind of the back part of the sink. Now you're tightening up the disposal, the flange itself.
Now she's ready to receive the garbage disposal.
Yes.
Now the top piece sets down and now let that. Now this is stabilizing it so I don't have to fight the Bassett strainer going in and out. And this tough ring. Done. Now we can remove the stabilizing tool out of the way and tighten these screws up. And without the sweat, you have a garbage disposal.
We have completed the function of this little tool. And you can see it definitely, compared time-wise, it definitely takes a lot less time with this tool. He doesn't have to come back out and check his location of his lettering because it never moves.